Rodak, you asked me about the cross mark, installation. When you get the cross mark, look here. This thing is the cross mark laser height. Okay, it's making a red line. And when I send you the laser height, you will get a new bracket like this. You need to remove these four bolts from to remove this from the carrier. Then you can remove the camera and the brackets down together. Then we can install the laser height into the hole behind the brackets here. Okay, and then there is two cables coming from the laser height. The two cables is go into this black tube, PVC black tube, and it comes to here. Comes to here. You link the two cables to here. Okay, then the PVC laser height will lighting up. The installation is very